Hey guys, I'm Patrick and I'm glad you're interested in this project, and in this video I'm going to show you how to actually make money online without any marketing or any other skills. I made $500 profit on the very first day I was using this strategy and promoting this one affiliate product called Builderall, and to this day I made thousands of dollars. So make sure you watch this video because I will show you how it all works and I will share my strategy with you so you can do exactly the same what I did and made money online.
So how does it work? Well, in order to start making money, you need to sign up for their affiliate program, which costs you $49. Alright? This will cost you $49 a month, and it's the final price. It will cost you no dollar more, and it's the same as you pay for your Shopify store or ClickFunnels or whatever service you're using on the internet. But, alright, but you paid that $49, but when you send, and for that $49 you will receive your link. You will receive your link, which you can send to your friends, family, or promote anywhere else on the internet. And this is where magic happens, because for every one person who will use your link and sign up using your affiliate link, you will get that $49 back. Alright, you will get that $49 back. So you break even your investment, and plus not only you will get that $49 back, but you will also get a 30% of monthly recurring commission if they will be active and they will renew their account after a month and they will pay $49. So you will get 30% of the price of the $50, and that, which is $15, and they will be active, and I will tell you why in a second. Alright, so this is if you sign one person. You can literally sign 5% in first hour you will be into this business, because I was into this business and I know how I started. I told about this my friends, and I already started to make money the very first day I was in. So let's say you are going to sign 5 people, alright, or 10 people, it doesn't matter, which is really easy, because if they will understand this business model, it's very easy, and I will tell you why in a second. Let's say you will sign up this amount of people, I don't know. Of course you can sign up a lot more people, it's, you know. So let's just imagine you will sign up 10 people under you, alright? 10 people under you, and for each of them you will get that $50 or $49 if you want, but just the counting is better, so I'll say 50. Alright, let's like $50. Okay, so for each of them you will get that $50 back. What does it mean? You will get $500 immediately, and I promise you can do this by like 2 hours of working, not even 2 hours. You don't have to convince anyone. Like they will be happy to join this program if they will understand, because it's really a simple way how to make money, and you can indeed help your friends make money. So this is what you will get, plus you will get that 30% commission out of these 10 people, which is plus additional $150. So it's like, you know, it's like 1 hour of talking to your friends and just telling them about this unique opportunity, and you are already, it's 650 minus 50, you are already $600 profit. And what's the best thing about this? It is tier 2 affiliate system. This is tier 1, and it's tier 2 affiliate system, which is incredible, and this is where magic happens. Like, guys, it's crazy. What does it mean? If any of these people will use their affiliate link and will send it to their friends, alright, will send it to their friends, let's say this guy will sign up. Let's say each of them will sign up 10 people, and they will, because they will see right away the results, and they want to make money as well, so they will. It's like 100 people, all right? 10 times 10, it's 100 people. So for this 100 people, for each of them who will sign up using your friend's affiliate link, you will get that 30% commission as well. So this is 100 times $15, which is crazy. It's $1,050. So for only signing 10 people, which is the matter of like 2 hours talking to your friends and explaining what it's all about, or you don't even have to work, you can send them this video and where I explain how it works, you will be profitable at $1,050 plus $600, which is $2,100 for, and I repeat, you will get this and this and monthly. This is monthly income. This is not only one time. You will get this monthly, all right? This is crazy. If they will be active, and they will be active because they want to make money as well, and they will see it's easy, you will get this amount of money monthly, which means you will get, like, that's crazy. And guys, they also have this cool calculator where you can estimate your earnings. So let's say you're gonna sign like, I don't know, like 5 people a month, and you probably gonna say like, I can sign 5 people a day, and you can. It's really easy, because this is just unique opportunity how to like really earn a lot of money and do not spend too much time working on that. So it is really simple. So let's say you're gonna sign 5 people a month, and they will work, and they will also sign 5 people a month. So your immediate earnings would be like this, and your monthly income when you sign only 5 people and they will sign 5 people, will be $500. And let's say this is in a month, okay? You can sign 5 people. You can sign 5 people in a day, I promise. Like, I will tell you why in my free course. I offer free bonuses for you if you join my team. I will tell you in a second which bonuses I offer. So this is ridiculous, right? Let's say you will sign 5 people in a month, which is really like, you will like 99% you will. So in a year, that's like 12 months, so 12 times 5 is 60. So in a year, you will sign 60 people, and 60 of them will work as an affiliate, and each of them will sign as well 5 people, which makes it crazy. Well, this will be your immediate earnings, and this will be your monthly income if you sign only 5 people a month. And if you sign 5 people a month, which means you will sign 60 people in a year. So in a year, you can have this regular monthly income. Like, are you ready to make some money? If yes, just go into this business model, because Builderall is really awesome. So now I will show you how you can actually join my team to get all the bonuses I can teach you. So you will just go, I don't know if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, but the link is in the description of this video. So it's just like bit.ly/ecom-to-freedom, and this is my page. I'm Patryk Lipowski, and this is my page I've created, and you can just go through it and watch all the Builderall and all the stuff which is on this page. And here you can see what I can offer you for free. Because why do I provide this training for free? Because it's 2-tier system. That means that when you earn more money, I earn more money. which is incredible. So I honestly want you to be successful. So if you will join my team, I'll give you step-by-step training course, like exactly what you need to do with Builderall in order to start making money today. I'll teach you Facebook ads for free. This is worth like $2,000. You can sell anything to anyone. I'll teach you email marketing. You will have access to my private Facebook mastermind group where you can connect with other people who are working with Builderall, so you can just, discuss about all the thing, and just, you will also get this money making machine, which is incredible. This Builderall affiliate program, you can see it's crazy. And let's say you're not signing 60 people. Let's say, well, as I said, you can sign 5 people a day, which means in a month you will sign 150 people, all right, in a month. And let's say 130, they will work as an affiliate, and each of them will sign 5 people. Let's say only 5 people, each of them. That's 130 times 5. That means 6. Well, yeah, they are even asking me like each affiliate. So each of them will sign 5 people, and this is your monthly income in a month, all right? In a month, in 1 month, if you sign 150 people, which is really doable because this business model is simply crazy. And it's not exposed yet, but I bet you in a couple of weeks, people are gonna be jumping like crazy into this. So this is the perfect time to start, and you can be on the top of the pyramid, if you understand me, right? You can be on the top. So you will also get for that ridiculous $49 price, which they even offered 30-day money guarantee back. This is no risk, and you will also get this unique Builderall features, which is like drag and drop website creator, sales funnels, email marketing, full email marketing responder included, webinar platforms, Android and iOS application builder. You will get my personal mentoring in my Facebook group. Well, this is crazy, all right? So this is my testimonials. You can see what results my students get, all right? You can read everything on my page, and this is just incredible. And this is crazy, guys. Like, if you sign up 100 active users, they will offer a monthly $600 bonus to lease a car of your dreams, all right? You can, guys, like, you're not decided yet? This is crazy. You can do this from your home. Just know any marketing skills. Like, the best method to start for you is just to tell about it your friends, and like your friends trust you. When you tell them about this unique opportunity, they will be happy. You will help them to earn money, and they will earn money for you, all right? It's like win-win situation. And in a day like today, if you sit by your computer and text your friends on Facebook, and just tell it about your family, or tell them about it, you can literally sign like 20 people first day, all right? In the first day you can sign 20 people, which is 20 people on the first day, and they will work, and each of them will sign 5 people. Like, today you can have $1,000 and make your monthly income almost $2,000. Like today, guys, I promise. It's crazy. So how can you join this, all right? Now I will show you how can you join this. Just click on one of these orange buttons on my page, which the link is in the description of this video. So you will just click, and it will redirect you to the official Builderall website, and you can like read all the features Builderall offers. That's crazy amount of features for that price. It's like super underpriced, and this product sells itself like crazy. And you are going to click on one of these buy now buttons, no matter which one, but just click one of these. So now when I click the buy now blue button on the official Builderall website, make sure you're gonna choose this Builderall business plan, because the aim for you is this leveraged affiliate system, which they offer only by this price. But don't forget, they offer 30 days money back guarantee. If you will sign nobody, you will just get your money back. So it's 100% risk free. Just, you cannot lose anything on this, but you can gain everything, guys. This is crazy. So you're gonna click buy now on this Builderall business plan, and now just make sure here's my name, so I can literally just send you my free course, all the stuff I was talking about like 2 minutes ago, all the mentoring. You can get access to my group. So make sure here's my name, so I can send you and offer you my $2,000 worth training for free. I'll send you right away after you sign up using my link. You're just gonna enter your information below. Alright, you're gonna click next, then you can pay by credit card or debit card or PayPal, and then you will log in. After you log into your account, it will be like, after you log into your account, just wait a second please. And after you log into your account, you will click this Builderall business and dashboard, and here is your affiliate link. This Builderall business is your affiliate link. You can copy it by clicking on this icon, or you can copy that by Command C or Control C. Well, so just click, and this is copied. You're gonna, I'm gonna paste it here and go, and so you can just check it's your affiliate link, which you can share. So this is the official page we were on. You're gonna click on one of these blue buttons. You're gonna choose the Builderall business, and it's going to be, you are going to send to your friends, to your family, promote anywhere on the internet, and you can literally start making money today. So guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just change your life now. All right, change your life now. You can be like, you can build a passive income of thousands of dollars in a month. So guys, yeah, make sure you going to click the link in the description. You will see my page. You can read all the Builderall features. Don't forget, they offer this $600 bonus to lease a car. That's crazy. And yeah, that's probably everything I wanted to tell you in this video. So yeah, just go for that, and I'll send you my free course, which you can again see what I offer for signing for me. And why do I provide this value? That's simple, because it's tier 2 affiliate system, and I earn money on your commissions, as well as you will earn money on your people commissions. So the more money you make, the more money I make. That's why I honestly want you to be successful and provide you my mentoring for free. So after all, it's a win-win situation, and literally you can change your life today. So yeah, just go get it and go deep into this business and change your life, guys. If you found value in this video, drop comment in the below section or like this video, and just, I'm so looking forward to you joining my family. See you next time.